Good morning students, welcome to English online class. You know the sound of an, at and app. Today we are going to learn the sound of ad. How to read ad. Repeat after me. A, d, ad. L, add, lad. S, add, sad. D, add, dad. P, add, pad. B, add, bad. I will read again. Add, lad, sad, dad, bad, bad. Now take out your English notebook and write these words. Bye.